Since its very beginning, way back in 2012, Apex Group has always sought to increase and diversify its services. And indeed, nowadays, we can tell that we have 3 companies in this group: Apex Care, Apex Services, and Apex Childcare Centers.
At Apex Group, we always had the community at heart. We started by offering nursing and caring services in the community. To make it more holistic, we thought of going into childcare services and clinic services. Through our experience, we then eventually thought that education is the heart of everything we do.
Together, with an academy, and also we employ 250 employees.
Throughout the years that I've worked at Apex Group, I can say that we've always lived to our core values. We always strive to provide a professional service and always provide a safe workplace, both for our employees and also for the clients of ours. I feel proud to be part of Apex Group, and I look forward for the years to come.